Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best 12V portable heater is probably one of the most versatile and essential gadgets for anyone who spends time in their car during colder months, whether you're a daily commuter facing frosty mornings, a road trip enthusiast exploring scenic routes, or a professional who needs a reliable heat source on the go. This compact device offers a quick and efficient way to warm up your personal space without draining your vehicle's battery excessively. It's designed to provide immediate comfort, making those chilly drives significantly more pleasant and productive, ensuring you're never caught off guard by unexpected drops in temperature. Number 5. TRAVELISIMO Electric Lunchbox. Enjoy delicious, hot, homemade meals wherever you go. It's a healthier choice compared to cold or fast food options. This portable food warmer is designed to fit your lifestyle. With multiple voltage settings, it's perfect for use in your car, truck, or at your office desk. Get your meal heated up quickly and conveniently. It can warm your food in just 20 to 30 minutes, providing swift and satisfying hot meals. Dine with confidence knowing your food is prepared safely. It's made with high-quality stainless steel, ensuring both hygiene and safety for your meals. This lunchbox offers a generous 1.5L capacity, perfect for large portions. Plus, cleanup is incredibly easy as it's dishwasher safe. What we like. If you're looking for a convenient way to enjoy hot, homemade meals at work or on the go, this is a great option. Its 100W heating element warms food quickly, and the 1.5L capacity is generous. With 3-in-1 voltage compatibility, you can use it in your car, truck, or at home, making it incredibly versatile for anyone who wants to avoid cold lunches. What people say. This definitely heated it up above that. There was some condensation on the lid during the second round of heating, and when it dropped onto the steel bowl it sizzled and I could see my food was simmering. It got that hot. Compact but definitely large enough for bigger meals, and plenty big enough for my single-serving glass storage dishes. This is perfect for lunches or meals on the go. Works great. Nice to have a hot lunch at work when microwave is not accessible. Number 4. 80W Portable Electric Lunchbox. Introducing our versatile electric lunchbox, designed for your convenience. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the road in your car or truck, it ensures your meal is perfectly heated. Experience quicker meal preparation with its upgraded 80W heating system. It uses safe PTC technology for consistent warmth, ensuring your food is ready in just 15 to 30 minutes. Enjoy worry-free transport thanks to its excellent leak-proof design. With a secure sealing ring and 4-sided buckles, you can be confident that no spills will occur, even during bumpy rides. Crafted with a removable 1.5L 304 stainless steel container and a food-grade PP box, it's both safe and simple to clean. Just remember not to immerse the entire unit in water. Discover thoughtful features like a lid compartment for your cutlery, a built-in phone holder, and an included insulated bag for easy carrying. It's the perfect gift for loved ones. What we like. For truck drivers or anyone who spends a lot of time on the road, this heated lunchbox is a game changer. Its upgraded 80W heating is faster, and the excellent leak-proof design means no more spills in your vehicle. Plus, the clever integrated spoon and fork holder and phone stand make mealtime even more convenient. What people say. It heats up food pretty quickly, depending on what you're trying to heat up and how much. This box is everything. It heats so good in my car that I have to blow my food to eat it. I love that it can plug into my car, truck, or wall outlet, super convenient for long days on the road. The 1.5L stainless steel container is a good size and easy to clean, and the included fork and spoon are a nice touch. It heats food evenly and much faster than I expected. My meals are usually hot within 25 to 30 minutes. Number 3. CAMPLUX Portable Propane Water Heater and Pump Kit AY132P43. Stop searching for parts. This Pro Kit includes everything needed for a real outdoor shower where there is no tap water. It is the easiest all-in-one portable shower solution. Perfect for deep off-grid camping or boondocking. The included 12V pump allows you to pull water directly from a lake, a large bucket, or your RV water tank. You don't need a pressurized campsite hookup to enjoy a hot shower anymore. We solved the power problem. The kit includes extra long power cables for the pump. This gives you flexibility to easily power the system from your car's cigarette lighter or battery bank, even if parked far from your shower spot. At its heart is the reliable engine. It runs on 2D-cell batteries and ignites with low water pressure. It delivers consistent instant hot water for a comfortable camping experience. Get your shower station running in about 10 minutes with quick connect fittings. The kit also includes 2 extension water hoses, giving you more freedom to place your shower tent exactly where you want it. Nothing beats a hot shower after a long day of hiking, fishing, or hunting. This complete kit lets you set up a private campsite shower right by your truck or RV, wash off sweat, dirt, and salt water comfortably before relaxing by the fire or climbing into your sleeping bag. It's not just for showers. Hot water makes cleaning much easier. Use this portable system to quickly cut through grease on camp dishes, hose down muddy boots and mountain bikes, or give your dog a warm pet bath outdoors. It is the ultimate multi-use tool for camp life. What we like. If you're an avid camper or enjoy off-grid adventures, this portable propane water heater kit is ideal. It includes everything you need for an outdoor shower, allowing you to draw water from lakes or buckets without needing a pressurized hookup. The long power cables offer great flexibility for powering the 12V pump from your vehicle. What people say. The heater is very compact and portable, making it easy to move from room to room. It heats up quickly and effectively, providing a comfortable warmth in small spaces. The fan circulates the warm air well, ensuring even heating throughout the area. Number 2. Ivation 27 Quart Electric Cooler and Warmer. Never worry about keeping your food and drinks fresh again. Our powerful thermoelectric technology provides dependable cooling and warming for all your perishables. It maintains drinks icy cold at 40 degrees Fahrenheit and hot food at 130 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for any outdoor adventure. With a generous 25-liter interior compartment, there's enough space to hold dozens of bottles, food trays, and even 2-liter soda bottles. The easy clean design wipes down in seconds and requires no costly maintenance. Change modes with the flip of a switch. This innovative dual-function cooler allows you to keep beverages icy cold or maintain the heat of pre-cooked foods. It features built-in fans and a one-button hot-cold switch for safe, effortless operation. Bring the convenience of a refrigerator and oven with you wherever you go. The integrated handle easily extends and folds away for stress-free transfer and tidy storage. The airtight and watertight lid cover also includes ergonomic grips for quick access. This complete travel cooler system is ready to transport food and drink supplies anywhere. It includes a hideaway AC power cord for standard wall outlets and a DC adapter for plugging into your car or truck cigarette lighter. Be the life of the party, whether you're indoors, outdoors, or on the move. What we like. For road trips, picnics, or tailgating, this portable thermoelectric fridge warmer is a must-have. It keeps drinks cold at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or food warm at 130 degrees Fahrenheit without needing ice, and its 25-liter capacity is substantial. With adapters for both home, 110V, and vehicle, 12V, use, it's perfect for keeping your refreshments at the ideal temperature wherever you go. What people say. I love the dual power option, 12V and 110V, and cord storage. It fit perfectly under the cargo cover in the back of our RAV4 and ran just fine off of the switched 12V power port back there. It did a great job keeping our food cool during multiple, full days of travel, even when being opened several times, and I love not having to purchase ice, drain water, or worry about refreezing freezer packs. Number 1. Hike Crew Portable Propane Water Heater. Introducing the Hike Crew Portable Propane Water Heater, your solution for instant hot water on any adventure. This innovative system heats water using propane for all your outdoor needs. Enjoy comfortable campsite showers with our easy-to-use temperature control and adjustable spray patterns. It provides a convenient way to clean up after a long day outdoors. This portable heater offers flexible power options, connecting to an outlet or your car's cigarette lighter. It's perfect for camping, fishing, hiking, and hunting trips. Safety is paramount with its automatic shutoff feature that activates when the water reaches optimal temperature. It also includes a water flow sensor and tilt protection for peace of mind. Designed for convenience, this compact heater comes with all necessary adapters and hoses in a handy carry bag. Take hot water wherever your adventures lead you. What we like. If you prioritize safety and convenience for your outdoor cleaning needs, this propane water heater is a solid choice. It provides instant hot water for showering or washing dishes, with adjustable spray patterns for versatility. The automatic safety shutoff feature offers peace of mind during use, making it great for camping or RVing. What people say. The heater has a dual mode, high and low, and a thermostat that allows you to set the desired temperature. It heats up quickly and is very effective at warming up a small space like a car or a small room. The unit is compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around or store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.